Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Wrenches are essential tools, but not all wrenches are the same. Using the right one makes your job easier. Let's go over the most important types. The adjustable wrench is a must-have for general-purpose tasks. Its movable jaw grips different size nuts and bolts. The angled socket wrench is perfect for working in confined spaces, thanks to its flexible design. A combination wrench gives you versatility with an open end for quick adjustments and a box end for a secure grip. The hinged socket wrench provides flexibility when dealing with hard-to-reach bolts. And the ring wrench gives you maximum grip and torque, preventing bolt damage. In aviation, precision is key. Mechanics use torque wrenches for controlled force, flare nut wrenches for hydraulic systems, and ratcheting wrenches for quick tightening. In automotive repair, speed matters. Impact wrenches remove bolts fast. Socket wrenches handle multiple sizes, and torque wrenches ensure parts are tightened to exact specifications. For plumbing, gripping power is crucial. Pipe wrenches tighten round surfaces. Adjustable wrenches offer versatility, and basin wrenches reach tight spaces under sinks. Choosing the right wrench prevents damage, saves time, and makes every job easier. Whether you're in aviation, automotive, or plumbing, the right tool matters. So next time you grab a wrench, think about the task at hand and work smarter. Want to dive deeper? Check out our full guide on our blog. Link in the description.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.